ESP32 CAM AI Thinker with Home Assistant. By using ESPHome with the ESP32 CAM AI Thinker, you can create custom firmware and integrate the camera with your home automation system. ESPHome is an open-source framework for ESP8266 and ESP32 devices that allows you to easily create custom firmware for your smart devices. With ESPHome, you can configure your devices to work with a variety of home automation systems and easily automate your smart home. The CAM AI Thinker is a powerful combination of hardware and software that features an ESP32 board and a camera module. With the ability to create custom firmware using ESPHome, the CAM AI Thinker can be integrated with home automation systems and used for a variety of applications, such as security monitoring and video streaming. By using ESPHome with CAM AI Thinker, you can create custom firmware and integrate the camera module with home automation systems such as Home Assistant. The CAM AI Thinker is also a cost-effective solution compared to other commercial camera systems on the market. ESP32 CAM AI Thinker board. Install the ESP32 board in the Arduino IDE. Open the ESPHome dashboard and create a new configuration. Add MQTT support for home automation integration. Connect the CAM AI Thinker board to the USB to DTL serial converter. Flash the firmware to the ESP32 CAM AI Thinker using the ESPHome command line tool. Open the ESPHome dashboard and add your Wi-Fi credentials to the configuration. Open the ESPHome dashboard and create a new configuration for the CAM AI Thinker. In the configuration file, define the board type as ESP32 CAM. Configure the board settings such as Wi-Fi credentials and camera settings. Define the camera settings in the configuration file, such as resolution and frame rate. Add MQTT support to the configuration file to enable home automation integration. In Home Assistant, navigate to the CAM AI Thinker device and add it to the dashboard. Configure the device settings, such as camera feed and motion detection. By using ESPHome with ESP32 CAM AI Thinker, you can easily create custom firmware and integrate the camera module with your home automation system. With the cost-effective CAM AI Thinker and the open-source ESPHome framework, you can create a powerful smart home solution without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel.